FoMaKo PTZ-camera HDMI 20x Optical Zoom Bundle Review. AI auto tracking worth it for churches?
Picture this. Your pastor moves off center during the sermon climax, and your static camera keeps filming an empty stage while hundreds watch online. A church media director told me they lost 3 volunteer camera operators in 1 month because weekend commitments became too much. The frustration built quietly. Manual camera work drains volunteers and limits your reach. Automation felt impossible on a church budget. Does this sound painfully familiar?
Every missed shot chips away at your online engagement. Your hands shake from holding focus during 2-hour services, while attendance numbers slowly decline because viewers drift to slicker productions. The mental weight becomes crushing, recruiting volunteers, training camera operators, missing key moments because someone called in sick. One worship leader shared how their Easter stream looked amateurish despite months of preparation. But clarity exists when technology finally catches up. Then everything shifted when churches discovered the FoMaKo PTZ-camera HDMI 20x Optical Zoom Bundle with AI Auto Tracking Generation 3. Don't just pick any PTZ camera system, make sure it has gear transmission structure with simultaneous multi-output capability, so you never experience preset drift or single-feed limitations during critical live moments again. This bundle includes 2 20x optical zoom cameras, plus the KC608 controller, delivering broadcast-quality tracking at half the cost of premium brands. The Generation 3 AI tracking locks onto speakers with customizable sensitivity. Press F2 to activate, F4 to switch targets. The gear-driven mechanism ensures preset positions stay accurate 50% longer than belt-driven competitors. A production manager at a megachurch nearly missed streaming their Christmas service when their old camera failed. They installed FoMaKo Friday night, and by Sunday, the AI flawlessly tracked 3 pastors across a 60-foot stage while simultaneously feeding HDMI to the house monitor, SDI to the switcher, USB to the streaming computer, and IP to the lobby displays. PoE power means one cable handles everything. The 1080p at 60 frames per second feeds deliver true-to-life colors that make worship bands pop. 6 months later, your Sunday workflow feels completely transformed. Setup takes 5 minutes instead of an hour because PoE handles power and control through single cables. An optics analyst from Lens Viewing confirmed the FoMaKo bundle outperforms others with 20x optical zoom and robust gear transmission, ensuring precise preset positioning. Their testing showed the gear structure maintains accuracy after thousands of movements. A verified church customer shared that after installing over 100 FoMaKo cameras across multiple campuses, this deal is a great, simple option for churches wanting multi-camera streaming. The reliability proved itself week after week. From my observation, the silent pan-tilt operation keeps services distraction-free, while the fast autofocus maintains clarity even during energetic worship moments. Now, you might hesitate at the upfront investment compared to manual cameras. Fair concern. But consider this. You eliminate volunteer burnout, capture every moment consistently, and the 3-year warranty plus lifetime support mean you're covered long-term. The KC608 controller manages both cameras from one joystick, and the 255 presets store every angle you'll ever need. Churches report volunteer satisfaction doubled because tech teams focus on mixing instead of constantly framing shots. See why over 100 congregations refuse to stream without this system now? What's currently limiting your production quality most?
This isn't just equipment, it's reclaiming your team's energy and delivering professional experiences that keep online congregations engaged. Hundreds of churches, schools, and event venues already trust the FoMaKo PTZ-camera HDMI 20x Optical Zoom Bundle for AI tracking and simultaneous outputs that transform production workflows. Results may vary based on your setup and environment, but the 30-day money-back guarantee removes all risk. Ready to explore what this means for your ministry? I've dropped my link in the description and pinned comment. Experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.